Did you know? 68% of consumers prefer watching videos to learn about new products, compared to articles, infographics, ebooks, and presentations. The power of branded video content is indeed undeniable. And it is a well-established fact that consumers are more likely to remember your brand and be motivated to buy your product or service when you use video content. If you are someone who produces video content on YouTube, you need a video marketing strategy that promotes your videos across all channels. This way, your videos are available to consumers everywhere, resulting in higher brand awareness, consumer engagement, and the number of sales. You can use tools like Zapier to automate your video marketing campaigns with ease. Couple that with a mobile-first technology like QR codes, and there's a lot of potential for positive ROI. Whenever you release a new video, promoting it on your socials is not enough. You need to extend your video marketing efforts to all channels, be it brick and mortar stores, print media, direct mail campaigns, events, and so much more. Create YouTube QR codes that link to your latest video and use them in your posters, coasters, billboards, and socials, anywhere you can think of. And you will see your views increase, the number of leads increase, and your overall engagement increase. You must be wondering if you'd have to create a new QR code for each new video you publish on your YouTube channel. But I'm here to tell you that only one QR code is all you need. This is possible with the help of two tools, Beaconstack and Zapier. Once you connect these two tools, your video marketing strategy will be seamless. Vriddhi from Team Beaconstack is here to give you a quick tutorial on how you can connect Beaconstack and Zapier. Over to you, Vriddhi.
The first step is to integrate our Beaconstack account with Zapier. For that, go to your Beaconstack dashboard, click on Integrations, then click on Zapier. Click on Connect. Click on Accept Invite, and our Beaconstack account is now integrated with Zapier. Log into your Zapier account and create new if you don't already have one. Click on Create Zap. Search for YouTube. Now we need to set up a trigger, that is new video in playlist. Click on Continue. Choose your YouTube account. Now we need to enter the playlist ID. Go to your YouTube playlist. Copy your playlist ID and paste. Click on Test Trigger. Click on Continue. Now for the action, search for Beaconstack. Choose the event, update dynamic QR code, and continue. Choose your Beaconstack account and set up an action. You can either select your QR code name from here or enter it manually. For your QR code ID, either select it from the drop-down or go to your Beaconstack account, click on QR codes and select your QR code ID from here. Once you have entered your QR code ID, select a design, enter manually or select from template. Now we need to select the campaign type. Here we are going for website URL. Select your campaign type and fill in the details. Click on Continue. Click on Test Action. And your Zap is ready to be published. Click on Publish Zap and you're done.
Wow, that required no coding whatsoever. Anyone can get started with it to improve their video marketing strategy. Beaconstack Zapier integration automates your video marketing campaigns and could be the growth hack that brings you massive success. A QR code campaign can be created in a matter of seconds on Beaconstack, and a Zapier workflow requires only a single setup. No developer, no repetitive tasks. Create an account on Beaconstack today. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to this excellent channel for all things QR. That's all for today. Until next time.